Are you facing a frustrating issue with your AWS Elasticsearch? If you've encountered the dreaded forbidden 8 ACE index write API error, you're not alone. Today, we're going to unravel this mystery and get you back on track. I totally understand how disheartening it can be when everything was working fine and suddenly you're hit with an error. It's like a roadblock in your workflow. You're not the only one who has faced this, and it's a common issue among AWS users. Let's dive into the specifics of your situation. One user recently reported that they were trying to dump a list of documents to their AWS Elasticsearch instance. Everything was running smoothly until they encountered this error message, blocked by forbidden/8 index write API. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this error? Many forums suggest it might be a JVM memory issue, where AWS restricts writes to the cluster if memory usage exceeds 92%. However, in this case, the user checked and found their JVM memory was below that threshold. Let's break down what else could be happening. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to resolve this issue and get your AWS Elasticsearch back to normal. Plus, I have a bonus tip that you won't want to miss. To address the issue of being unable to write to the index, the user should first check the index settings in their AWS Elasticsearch instance. This can help identify if the index is set to read-only mode. If the index is indeed in read-only mode, the user can change this setting. This is often caused by low disk space or other cluster health issues. Next, the user should check the cluster health. If the cluster is yellow or red, it may indicate issues that need to be resolved before writing can resume. If the cluster health is good, the user should also verify the disk space available on the Elasticsearch nodes. Low disk space can trigger write blocks. Finally, if all settings are correct and the issue persists, the user may need to restart the Elasticsearch service or check for any other underlying issues in the logs. Fun fact: did you know that Elasticsearch was originally developed for full-text search? Now it's a powerful tool for analytics and data exploration. Just like you, it has evolved to tackle complex challenges. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves adjusting the index settings. They found that simply addressing the JVM memory issue wasn't enough. They had to remove the read-only block by setting index.blocks.readOnlyAllowDelete to null. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. Another user points out that the error can occur if the index you're trying to write to has been set to read-only. They experienced this issue due to a misconfiguration in index state management, which caused a weakly index to switch to a warm state prematurely. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Regularly monitor your cluster's health and memory usage. Setting up alerts can help you catch issues before they become roadblocks. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the forbidden 8 index write API error and get back to work. If you found the video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks. Remember, staying proactive can save you a lot of headaches in the future.